See how I do my Osmo Action 4 mic setup on a motorcycle after months of trial and error.
So here's my latest microphone setup. I cut a chunk of this foam and tie wrapped it inside. I'd take this apart to show you, but it wasn't fun getting it in there. I'm thinking you can see that. Let's see. It's down about halfway in there. Oh, I forgot the camera actually is magnetic on the bottom, sticks to the tank, so I don't have to hold it. Brilliant. I love my Osmo Action 4. Then it comes around to here and goes into the side of the camera there. Haven't gotten a nice location for the wire bundle yet, but I'll work on that. And this wire is coming up from my accessory plug that is inside here. Ta-da! There. And this is the Osmo Action 4 mic adapter. So let's go out and run it again, see what it looks like. This is the final location for the mic. Seems to be working really well. There's the mic adapter with the ship's power coming in here, microphone here, and a Velcro strap holding it here. Seems to be working well.
Funny note about that elaborate camera mount. May 10th of 2020, my son gave me his GoPro to try out, which I temporarily mounted with tie wraps just to experiment, knowing I would do something more professional later. See the link below for my first GoPro video. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. 4 years and 48,000 miles later, all I've had to do is replace one tie wrap. I'm a happy camper.
Here's how I do it on my helmet. The mic adapter, 90° to the microphone cord, and a USB-C cable going to ship's power. Pretty simple. Gain -5, 4K, 60 frames per second, rock steady. I'm not rock steady, but $1 o'clock on the nose. After staring at just the 10 feet in front of me so intently for so long, oh, this is a whole different feel. I'm looking out way ahead. Normally it feels different.